Everything you've been told about credit and how it relates to funding is wrong. Credit repair doesn't get you approved. In fact, it's the number one reason keeping people stuck with low approvals, high interest rates, and/or flat-out denials. But here's the truth. Lenders don't care if you repaired your past. They care about how your profile is structured today. And once you know how to optimize your credit and financial profile the right way, lenders compete for your business. Interest rates drop and approvals multiply. I call this the credit and funding power play. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how it works and why one session with me could be the most profitable hour of your financial life. I'm Dan Sanfilippo. I'm not a Wall Street banker. I'm not some internet credit repair guru. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a coach, a Blackbelt coach. For the last 7 years, I've helped more than 3,000 clients, entrepreneurs, small business owners, and everyday people really, optimize their credit and financial profiles, unlock higher approvals, and lower their cost of borrowing. But I didn't start here. I started just like you. I followed all the rules, paid everything on time, built my score, thought I was doing everything right. And when I applied for funding, I got a $3,000 approval to run my business and denials everywhere else. That was my turning point, because credit isn't about following the rules, guys. It's about playing strategy. In martial arts, one wrong move gets you knocked out or submitted. In credit, one wrong move gets you denied or high interest rate debt. So I trained like a black belt. Using my martial arts mindset, I reverse engineered the denial letters. I studied lender behavior, underwriting criteria, and the silent signals that make or break approvals. And once I discovered how the game really works, everything changed. Not only for me, but for my clients, and it can for you too. Here's the big secret I uncovered. Lenders don't just look at your score. They look at individual credit card utilization, not just overall credit card utilization. Each individual account. They look at inquiry patterns, how many, how recent. The credit mix and age of accounts is very important. How many new accounts do you have? And most importantly, the sequence of your applications. Miss one of these and you get denied, lowballed, or stuck with terrible terms. But optimize them before you apply. That's when you win. That's when lenders start competing for you. That's why I created the Credit and Funding Power Play session. It's designed to put you 5 moves ahead of the banks, so you stop playing defense and finally play offense and win. The Credit and Funding Power Play is a private 60-minute live video Zoom session with me. During this call, I'll break down your credit profile in real time with you. I'll identify the silent red flags lenders see, walk you through the exact optimization of your credit and finances, teach you the sequencing strategies to increase your approvals. Then I'll connect you with a trusted lender. And here's the best part. The entire session is recorded and transcribed, so you don't have to remember everything. You'll have a permanent copy to review whenever you need it. But don't just take my word for it. One client came in with a 619 score, and multiple denials. After optimizing, he secured $107,000 in approvals in under 30 days. Another client came in with $50,000 of high interest rate revolving debt. We restructured, optimized, refinanced, and within 60 days saved him over 12% interest and unlocked new capital for growth. And these are just 2 of thousands of stories. Because once you know the rules, guys, that the lenders actually play by, results become predictable. So here's what you get when you book your Credit and Funding Power Play session today. 60-minute private session with me on Zoom, a recording of the call so you don't miss a thing, a full written transcript for your permanent reference, real-time optimization strategies specific to your credit and funding needs and your credit profile, sequencing guidance to increase your approvals and lower the interest rate. And to make this decision completely risk-free for you, every Credit and Funding Power Play session comes with our Black Belt guarantee. No win, no fee. If you don't walk away with crystal clarity and a clear path to funding, you pay nothing. That's my promise to you. Also, if you don't have a trusted lender, we will connect you with one of our trusted network providers. And all of this for just $995. Not $3,000, not $5,000 or more like other coaches are charging. Just $995 to walk away with clarity you've been missing.
And I just wanted to give a shout out to Dan and his team for helping me so much with my credit. He guided me and made me feel confident and comfortable along the way. And now my credit's just gone way up.
I just wanted to give a shout out to Dan and the team. You guys, it's so hard to raise your credit up, and you helped me out and raised my credit, and I super, super appreciate it.
They've helped myself, my clients, and made home ownership possible for many of my clients.
Dan Sanfilippo and his team at Blackbelt Business Strategies absolutely changed my life.
I was able to get a loan. He did a wonderful job for me. He's trustworthy, and I recommend him to anyone.
So thrilled with Danny and his entire team for the work and the help they've done for me and my credit, optimizing and my entire credit. I recently got a Apple Card, is higher than any of my other credit cards, and it's $30,000. And I would definitely not been able to get that credit card approved for that much if it wasn't for their skills and coaching me through exactly what I needed to do.
But here's the thing. This is an introductory offer, low price. But this price is going up. Why? Because this is me personally reviewing your profile, your scenario. And right now, lenders are tightening their approvals. In the next 3 to 6 months, this will only get harder, which means waiting will cost you approvals, limits, and thousands in interest rates. And let me be clear, the reason I'm making this available now is because too many good people are getting denied. Not because they can't pay, not because they can't service the debt, but because no one ever taught them how to structure their credit and finances the right way so that lenders can approve them. That's why I created the Credit and Funding Power Play. So here's your next move or your next step. Click the button below. Book your $995 Credit and Funding Power Play session. Pick your time. Fill out a quick intake form and show up ready. In 60 minutes, you'll walk away with clarity, a recording, and a transcript so you know exactly how to think and be 5 moves ahead with your credit and funding. And we can connect you with a trusted network provider that we have for the lending you seek. This isn't just a call, it's your initiation into the Blackbelt Business Strategies lifestyle movement, where we don't play by the old rules, we play to win. This is your move. Let's play it smart. Remember, your session is backed by our Black Belt guarantee. No win, no fee. There's zero risk to you.